So Trinity College are a prestigious school that provide pathways to Melbourne University for international students, as well as theological programs. And as a result of that, their needs are very specific in that their lecture theatres and teaching spaces are very critical to the program, and they are required to be operational all the time. The end benefit for our services to Trinity College is that all of the systems are being managed in a way that ensures that the system's working for their students and staff as required. As soon as we get an alert, we can jump on it straight away and fix it. Often we fix things before the students and staff are impacted or they even notice.
Okay, so this is our Trinity Chapel, and we run services here every Sunday. We live stream them. We run midweek services. It's heavily dependent on our audio-visual equipment. It's really important for live streaming those services that we upload every Sunday night. With InSight services, I rely on them almost every day. We come to work each day, we know that InSight have monitored our equipment overnight. They send us a report every morning to show where outages are occurring, so I can get to those rooms prior to classes starting, and that's a huge bonus. That service was implemented this year only, and it's made a huge difference in the way we can provide services to our clients.
We designed a comprehensive end-to-end AV managed service solutions that gave us a full scope on Trinity College's AV devices set up in all their teaching facilities. To manage everything remotely, we've harnessed the power of the Symphony platform. The main focus here was to get rid of any disruptions and downtime that had been bothering teachers and students, and I have to say we've aced it. We have covered all bases when it comes to analyzing, monitoring, resolving, and providing full support to the on-site Trinity College IT support team. After launching our managed services solution at Trinity College, our team has been doing daily sweeps to catch any AV issues across the campus and connected teaching facilities. The approach has worked like a charm, and disruptions to classes, students, and staff has significantly reduced.
12 months ago, I lost my main AV tech, and when I lost that AV tech, I was really floundering, and I had to take up a lot of the slack, and I had to learn a lot about AV, which I really didn't know. And fortunately for me, InSight came to the party and they were just brilliant. They offered me so much support. They were on site all the time, just doing all of that hands-on work that my tech would have done. We've implemented Symphony monitoring and Maestro cloud control software, and the Symphony monitoring has been absolutely fantastic. It allows InSight and my own team to actually look on a dashboard and determine which devices are up all day or those that have gone down and need remediation immediately. And it's just really saved us a lot of time and effort.
We've been in a partnership with InSight for coming up to 6 years. We've had some really good experiences in InSight reaching out to us and saying, here's a problem we think we can help you solve. And that's really valuable because we don't know everything about AV, and that's why we have InSight. So 2 examples there have been around proactive monitoring, which has been the Symphony solution. It helps us to monitor and maintain a large number of learning spaces with a small number of staff. So we get a real-time notification if there's a problem, and if we're really on top of things, we can solve those problems before they become a problem in the learning environment.
Engagement of InSight, it's extremely easy. We can log a job on their VNOC, or we just email them directly, and they are just very quick to respond. If we don't hear from a tech because the techs are out busy doing other work, I can always go to one of our service delivery managers. I can go to Shane, I can go to Brad. They're really quick, really responsive, and we've never had an issue with any of the support.
What we offer in managed services is truly progressive and like nothing else we are aware of in the industry. The extent to which we go in terms of remote management via Symphony and the comprehensive support services we offer is unlike no other. We're all about going the extra mile and exceeding expectations. Providing top-notch service is in our DNA, and you can see that in the way we've been serving Trinity College. If you'd like to know more about how we can help you, head over to our website and book a free consultation. We'd love to have a chat.